the address that we needed to check?
Hurry up, Dave!
Who wasn't answering?
Holy balls, man.
Deputy Morgan is forced to drive through a wildfire.
Thank you.
His body camera records the terrifying event. It also captures the deputy's appropriate, although highly profane, reaction. Please subscribe for more CopCam content. And as always, thanks for watching.
10, I'm back to my car. I'm headed south on Jefferson to Oregon.
South on Jefferson to Oregon.
L502.
L502, go ahead.
Emergency traffic only. I want you to roll call everybody. I don't care about addresses being checked.
Copy. Adam 503.
It's coming our way fast.
13 went up there, Nate. But look at that.
Adam 503, your status.
13, come back down that road now. It's coming our way.
On the way.
Checking on Adam 503 on other channels. Adam 506, your status.
Code 4, I have Adam 503 in the car. I'll go check on him.
Copy. Adam 510, your status.
507 to the North CC.
Adam 510, I'm code 4 right now. I'm waiting for 13.
Copy. We're paging Adam 503's radio. Adam 513, your status.
Coming back down Oregon, about to come out of Jefferson here behind the homeowner I found.
Copy. Adam 514, status.
We have eyes on 503.
Copy.
Go, 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 go.
Copy. Adam 515, status.
Holy
Trying to get out of Oregon. The fire just jumped the road at 13717. The resident there is for engulf.
13717
Holy
road.
balls, man.
Okay.
Fuck you, fire, you fucking bitch. You're not getting me today, motherfucker. Eat my fucking fat, hairy ass, fire. Hurry the fuck up, Dave. I don't want to fucking die in this bitch.
503.
Go ahead.
1022 chain links, one adult male, one adult female sheltering in place. What was the address that we needed to check?
Hurry up, Dave!
Who wasn't answering her phone?
I believe it was 1201. Anchor 514, your status?
Holy
Let's go.
fuck, that was fucking hairy.
Copy, Baker 515, your status.
Hurry the fuck up, lady.
Ida 604, your status.
On the red.
Copy, Ida 668, status.
And watch the fire.
Copy.
Turn around.
John 534, your status.
Code 4.
Copy.
Hurry the fuck up, it's coming our way.
Lincoln 518, your status.
Code 4.
Copy.
It's headed right for us.
I got 1 minute.
Code 4.
It's headed right for us, man. I was just there.
Zebra 69, your status.
Unless you want to die,
Code 4.
Copy. And Zebra.
hurry up and get the fuck out. Go.
Code 4.
Let everything
And
know I have a
traffic
battery
57.
power in there. It's not hooked up yet.
Go!
Good for us, still in route.
Copy Lincoln 502. All units on the call are accounted for.
13 for 10. I see you're still in that really hot zone. Are you clear of that?
I'm trying to get some idiots turned around that are trying to go right into it. I'm clear of the hot zone right now. I'll find an address when I can for where I'm at.
Just keep continuing south on Jackson. It clears up.
Copy, will do.
L502.
Go ahead.
All units. Fire is south of Oregon. So they're going up level 3 south from Oregon. Some bridges, then Madison and Jackson.
South of Oregon.
So that entire rectangle we talked about you guys checking is now level 3. That is 695 copy. We're working that.
Oh, thank you, bro. I was so worried about you. Are you okay? I know you're probably sad for your horses right now, bro. I'm glad you're alive. Okay?
I did it.
You did.
We were in the good spot.
You did everything you could. You did everything you could. Okay? Head up that way. All right? God bless you. All right? Hey, I'm so glad you're okay, bro. What's your name? I'm Britt. It's coming our way still, so move that way, okay?
Excuse me, sir.
What's up, man?
I parked at my semi at the Wheelers. I was on Freddie Road. I moved my semi at the Wheelers place. Parked down here. Can I please go back and get where Mark Wheelers?
It's f***ing coming this way, man.
Yeah, I know. I just saw. I lost my house on Fredegar, and that's how I moved mobile homes. That's my livelihood.
Hey. Do you have insurance on it?
No.
Okay.
Can I please sneak over there?
I don't want you to die.
I don't either. I mean, I'll turn around. The guy Wheeler said
it's coming our way.
Wheeler said they had 30
Literally, when I
minutes.
got onto this road, I was
Shay,
engulfed
how-
in fire.
Dad's back there. I can't get him out.
Where's he at?
She's on Oregon.
The gray house with the bright pink hot.
What's the
stars.
address? Adam 510. I got a person. 56 on Oregon.
Gone. I can't
I'm
get
not gonna go back.
Both in our keys are ringing and then rear. Okay, again. I said Wilson and our keys are bringing up the rear.
Adam 510. Who are you with?
I was at that house earlier.
Big 507. 16300.